Whenever it rains, there's a distinct smell in the air. Have you ever noticed it? That earthy smell comes from petrichor, which actually has three scientific causes. The first is geosmin. This is a natural chemical made by soil-dwelling bacteria. When the ground is dry for a long period of time, the bacteria make spores and release geosmin. Then, when it rains, tiny air bubbles are trapped and pop in the air, carrying that scent to our noses. The second is plant oils. Plants drop their oils into the soil and rocks during dry weather to slow down seed growth when water is sparse. When it rains, these oils are lifted into the air and the scent to our noses. And the third is ozone. During thunderstorms, lightning splits oxygen and nitrogen atoms apart in the sky. These individual oxygen atoms join back together with O2, creating O3, known as ozone. Wind and rain push this ozone smell down to the ground before and during a storm. So when you smell the rain coming, that's actually ozone you're smelling. And during rain, you're smelling plant oils and soil bacteria geosmin. If you haven't noticed the smell of rain before, you'll have some more chances this week to sniff it out. Meteorologist Christy Stewart, 10 on your side.